Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do basically English practice, which I'm doing past couple of months, and frequently uploading the videos on YouTube for the English learners who want to basically build a solid confidence and just starting from the scratch and building some sort of huge confidence for speaking in front of peoples basically. So today I'll give you say you the five tips which helps me and which led me to basically consistently work on myself basically. So that is very helpful if you are going to follow, because this all things works for the peoples who have at the top of in every field. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time and watch this video till the end. You will find the five tips which can lead you yourself to the successful life. So the first one is basically have a goal, the important part basically. So you should need to have a goal, and then find out like why you are doing that. So that is what more important, and be a passionate person towards achieving that, and so some sort of fun while doing that. So it's all things you need to have it, because if you are forcing yourself to do something, that is very difficult for you to basically consistently work on. You need to understand that you are a human being. You need to work like that, not like just forcing yourself that why I'm so basically nervous about doing something. So these all things you need to basically focus on. And the second one is like empower yourself. That is a very important part, because from the initial days of my life I found out like always I found out in self doubt. Always I am hesitated towards doing things which is I feel like feared. So if you take a challenge, and if you empower yourself that that's okay if you make mistakes initially times. So this happens to everyone, but you tell yourself that not in this time, second time I'm going to do it, and I'm not going to make the same mistake. So that is also a important part, because empowering yourself is most important in this era, because everyone is just trying to let you down, and so that is very common thing nowadays. So yeah, second point is this, and the third point is like basically like take your time, basically half an hour, and plan your whole day. That is most important, because if you planned your day from the beginning of your from the beginning of your morning, you know like what's your important task, because that is how your day going to be. If you are diluted by other things, so you can basically write down your notes, like how many days you are like diverting from your cell, basically from your task basically. So write down and just try to see at the end of the month, and you will find out a lot of things, and just try to said that I'm not going to make the same mistake again. So the third point is this, like plan your day from the beginning of the start of the day. So third point is this, and the fourth one is always have a always have a gratitude while working, because always having a less attitude towards something that you achieve, because this is very critical, because nowadays a lot of people have achieved, but because of the attitude issue they are not able to basically consistently work on that and consistently basically get some sort of success. Because if you got attitude, so you are basically destroy yourself, because that happened to everyone. In one phase they will understand, and by the others mistake you can able to find that, right? That is all happened to them, and you as well, because we are human beings. So the fifth one, which is I'm going to say, is basically like time management. That is also a very important part, because nowadays everyone is just trying to basically focusing on just wasting time. But if you go 5 to 10 years back, all like because of their time we are here, we are getting some sort of easy thing. But yeah, if we haven't managed our time in the previous 5 to 10 years back, so we cannot able to live this life. Like there's multiple machines, multiple things such as like you can say lift and like machines which have built and for human, like for make humans life easy. So these all things are very important if you want to achieve something, if you want have a goals. So for that you need to manage your time. So I hope you like my 5 points, and that helps me a lot. And so if you find this video helpful, so don't forget to comment in the below and watch and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, have a good day.